Hello everybody, it's next video about my project Niagara Kinetic sculptures. At last video we work with kinetic structure room, laser arm. In this video we will work with robotic screens. Let's do it. It's all static mesh that I using in my Niagara systems. That you can see, it's not only rotation around pivot, also I create telescopic element. If you open this sequencer, you can see how you can manipulate with user parameters. Step 1 rotation, step 2 rotation. And also you can switch screen element with use screen index. In this Niagara system, texture user parameter will locate on one element. If I change this to other, it scale with use this element. If you open this level sequencer, you can see how working robotic screen kinetic sculpture with telescopic element. On step 4 we have step 4 offset parameter. It also have screen index parameters, and if you look in details, screen texture parameter. On next system, I will show you how you can work with pivot for this Niagara system. Let's close sequencer. Try to move this pivot, try to rotate this pivot. For this Niagara system, at the pivot you can use different factors. This only for show you how it works. Let's go to other. Let's open this sequencer. And as you can see, this Niagara system for showing texture with use fixed elements, Niagara kinetic sculpture elements in one system. If you look to this texture parameter, you can set, and as you can see, all elements, all screen element in material using flipbook for sampling to combination of this screen element, one texture for many elements. This system not universal because inside this I using array element with 6 parameters for rotation of every element for every particles inside Niagara actor. But if you want to change count of particles, you can look in other Niagara systems. In this I can set counts When I set count, I must set step size. Now I found this. And as you can see, I change step size between every particle. Also, I have pivot element. Let's set to default parameters. Also, I have actor data interface for manipulate of location of this. I can rotate this. I can set texture. Also, I have area radius. If I set this to value 0, I see that now my pivot not influence on my elements because it's not in area of this Niagara actor. When I create this distance, create this area radius more, let's try it. Now it's working and connect with pivot. As you can see, if I remove from area radius of this Niagara actor, my screen elements work only with step rotations. I can manipulate with this parameter, but if I set location of my actor inside area radius, these elements attach again. In this Niagara systems, I also work with scale parameter of my actors, pivot actors. As you can see, when I scale this, I changed screen positions. Also, you can find different parameters for manipulate with behavior of this Niagara system. If I set scale wave to 0, it's not half wave. With scale of my pivot, you can change location of each particle screens. Also, I connect user parameter of texture with texture of media player, and when I play, you can see that this texture updating by media player. This actor only for show how it's connecting. It's only for play media player. If you want using media player in level sequencer, please know that it's not very stable and I had many problems with this in sequencer. Only if you're using in sequencer movie render QE. In this media player working correctly. With this, not correctly. Please try with different parameters inside Niagara actors. work with life cycle, delta UVW, screen texture with opacity, because opacity influence on opacity of screen of texture inside this parameter. I think it's all. Thank you. Goodbye.